everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout, and today I'm going to use this paper that's really mostly from Echo Park Baseball, that collection. So the paper with all the batters on it is the baseball batter up paper, and then I'm going to use that chunk of striped paper which is the baseball multi-journaling cards paper. The journaling cards are obviously on the back of that. Since this is a photo of my oldest grandson's last game this summer for the team he played on this summer. He played on another team for a while this fall, and then I see lots of sport layouts in my future. First of all, I have 3 grandsons, and also the 2 oldest love both soccer and baseball. So I'm using some pieces from different collections. So that baseball title there is a 3D sticker sheet, and I don't know exactly where that came from. And then I have that play ball piece there, and that is from the same baseball collection, just the die cuts from that collection. All right, so kind of playing, kind of figuring this out. That blue paper that I'm using is just a leftover miscellaneous piece of navy cardstock. I don't know exactly where that one came from. I don't think it was, I'm pretty sure it wasn't part of this collection. I think it came from one of the Joann's paper pads. So I'm adding that mitt sticker there. And that again is just another miscellaneous sticker I had lying around. I'm kind of adding that in. And then thinking I need labels or something to help round out that cluster on the bottom. And I'd like to see some sort of cluster on the top, but I'm not sure what that's going to be. So that sticker right there is one of the Ellie Studio label stickers. I'm thinking that I want to add in some wood here because of the brown in the mitt. Plus, I just got this wood veneer from Shadney, and you can find her on Etsy. It's Shadnee. She does all sorts of really awesome wood veneer. She does other types of embellishments as well, too. I've got acrylics from her, too. So I think I have acrylics from her anyway. She does an awesome job. All right, so I'm going to add that piece in there, and that's a baseball. I have a baseball geotag on the top right of that bottom cluster. I need some more stuff in these as well, though. And I was thinking about a label for the top, but I wasn't sure that I really wanted to do a red because that's so red up on top there with the baseball sticker. And then on the bottom, it's so blue, so I added the red label there. So that's kind of where my head is right now. So I find this, again, this is the Ellie Studio labels. I find this one, and I'm going to add that one in. All right, just looking, because I'm thinking I want a label now on this side to sort of extend it. I am looking at a blue label, but go back to my original philosophy of there's a lot of blue down here, so let's add red in. And you've seen me use these Ellie Studio label packs over and over. As a matter of fact, I still have a boatload. If that is actually probably not a thing, but I have a lot of the cut apart labels that I store in little plastic boxes, and I rarely use them now because I have these very convenient other ones. Plus, frankly, they're in colors that are really helpful to me. All right, that sticker that I'm using right there is coming from the Echo Park sticker pack from the baseball collection. So I have that. And then I see this little helmet sticker, and that is from the same collection there. I'm going to tuck that up there eventually. I'm going back and forth about, does this work? Doesn't it? Does it work? Doesn't it? I take it off. Oh, I spoiled it, you guys. Sorry. I forgot that I did this. So I thought about the baseball, but I didn't like the whiteness of the baseball against all the whiteness of the paper. So here I am looking at other stickers again. This is also from that baseball collection, I believe. And just kind of playing with that. And actually, I'm sorry, that square sticker I had is not from the baseball collection. That's a miscellaneous baseball collection I had. There we go. It's the same one that that little tiny glove on the top left is from. Sometimes I forget to label things so that I can tell you where they're actually from. I think they're stickers that I got at Michael's or Joann's when I was looking for some baseball pieces. And then again, looking at some Chadney wood veneers here to add in. And I love that baseball, that big geotag. It helps balance how large that mitt is, the amount of brown in that mitt. And that's kind of what I'm doing with this wood veneer. I'm balancing some of that brown. And, you know, there's a decent amount of brown in baseball because of the mitts. So here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.